So before this Angry Birds episode starts, I would like to let you guys know that my birthday's coming up, and I'm gonna ask my mom and dad if I can get 2 more of these, so I will have the entire trio. Okay, so now here's the episode. Come on, come on. Come on, yeah. Kill the pig, kill the pig. Yeah! Whoa! Boom! Yeah. Beat level 5 in Angry Birds. Hey Chuck. Yeah, I'm Red. We need to talk. Yeah, you need money, dude. Why? Well, first off, you haven't paid the water bill, and also another thing, uh, you're just lazy. You need a job. So, I already found you a job. But where am I gonna work? So here's where you'll be working, dude. Sorry, I haven't heard anything about missing children. Listen, I've been the manager of this pizzeria for years, and there is no such thing as missing children. I'm pretty sure that you've got some mixed up with some other pizza place. Maybe like Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah, they have missing children all the time. Yeah. There. Take that. Oh, jeez. Okay, so what's your name? My name's Red. Tell me about yourself, Red. Well, uh, I like to, work here as the night guard. Okay, you seem qualified. You got the job. You start tonight at midnight. Now get out of my office! Woo! Okay, my first night on the job. Let's see, there's a light up there. There's drawings here. There's this thing. What tablet? What was that? Oh, hang on. It's my phone. Hello, hello. Yeah. This is your boss. So I'm calling you up to give you some information of how to go through your first night. Okay? So welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Uh, you know, so be aware that the animatronics will try to walk around during the night, because so they'll work in the morning, and also be sure to use the security doors only if necessary, because you need to conserve power. And also, if they see you after hours, they might see you as another skeleton without his costume on, and will try to stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. And that's not a good thing, because the suits are deadly, so yeah. So if you get stuffed in them, your eyeballs and teeth will be popping out. Don't worry, you can check the security cameras, see where they are, and also you can check the lights outside your hallways, and that's basically it. Okay, good luck on your first night. See ya! Okay, so I need to check the security cameras. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's the stage. Huh. Okay, so there are 3 on the stage. Okay, let's try another camera. Okay, Pirate Cove. There's nothing here. There's nothing on this camera. Wait, isn't this camera the kitchen? I wonder why it's not working. Okay, let's try another camera. Okay, here's the hallway. Huh. It's a really creepy looking hallway. I'm gonna go check out a different one. Nothing in this hallway. Huh. I guess I'm good. That guy's crazy. There's nothing going wrong. Well, I'm gonna take a nap for like an hour. 2 hours later. What was that? I better check the cameras. Okay, so here's the stage, and... Wait, where's the bunny? Where'd the bunny go? Hold on, let me check the other camera. I don't see anything in this hallway. Hey, get away from the camera. He's up close in the camera. Get out of the camera, you dumb bunny. Well, oh, there's someone in the Pirate Cove. Wait, what's going on with the Pirate Cove camera? Hey, where's the animatronic that was there? Hang on, let me check the other cameras. Oh no, oh no. Okay, shut the door. Oh dear God, oh dear God. I just need to go through this night, and then I'm done. I'm done with this dead-end job. Okay, just need to check the other cameras. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Well, I took care of that dang robot. Alright. Well, anyways, let's see what time it is.